In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a payment in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever recorded a payment for a customer by mistake or applied it to the wrong invoice, don't worry. QuickBooks Online gives you a straightforward way to void that payment so your records stay accurate and clean. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process and explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to your customers, invoices, and payments. Opening the Sales area helps you narrow your search to the transactions tied to customers, instead of digging through all activity across the company. Once you're in the Sales section, click on Customers. This view organizes your information by customer name, which makes it much easier to find the payment you want to cancel. You'll see a list of all your customers, along with balances and recent activity. Next, find and select the customer who made the payment you need to cancel. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type part of the customer's name. When you click on the customer, QuickBooks will display that customer's transaction history, including invoices, payments, and other related entries. Now, look through the customer's transactions and open the specific payment transaction you want to cancel. Make sure you're selecting the right one by double-checking the date, the amount, and the associated invoice if there is one. Click on the payment to open its detailed view. With the payment open, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the More option. A small menu will appear with additional actions. From that menu, select Void. Voiding a payment keeps a record that something was there but sets the amount to 0 so it no longer affects your balances. This is usually better than deleting because it preserves an audit trail. Finally, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice. Review the details one last time, and when you're sure this is the payment you want to cancel, click Yes. The payment is now voided, and your customer's balance and your reports will update to reflect that change. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly cancel a payment in QuickBooks Online while keeping your records accurate and easy.